Hey everybody, yeah, we've done a lot of really cool stuff, and so basically I'm just going to give you a little bit of tidbit of what I've been researching the past couple weeks and stuff, days, weeks, whatever. The whole views on marriage and stuff that's been all over the place and stuff. Yes, I know that we, like, as far as marriage is concerned, there's a lot of political, societal, that's a word, right? I don't know. We'll keep going. Views on it as well. Please, when I'm also presenting this, just remember that I'm also doing this through a contextual analysis of the history and the context of which the play was written, because that's where I'm going to be following through a through line of it. So let's just move on to the next one. This is basically the common definition of what we're going to be using. It's the formal union between man and woman typically recognized by law. Why did I choose marriage? You guys are probably wondering. Well, marriage is probably one of the most common themes that's actually found in every single one of the plays. We discussed it in our discussions, I'm pretty sure, right? Like all the time. So it's very interesting to see that there's a through line and how it changes, the views of it and how it's held and esteemed and everything over time. So just really quick, I want to talk about the lawful marriage and the religious marriage needs duality. There's a lot of people tend to associate marriage as being just one entity only, but really there's two parts of it. You can get married within a religious institution and get married within a lawful one. So like that, probably you guys are like thinking, oh, that's obvious, but it's a little interesting to see that sort of like play throughout. So you could get like married in the law and then it happens, or you can get married in the religion and have it be valid even without the law, or you can have both, whatever. So we're just going to look really fast in marriage and every man. 5 which just goes into it, and he talks about all the blessed sacraments and stuff like that. I think we went into sacrament last quarter and what that is. A quick review, it's a religious ceremony or act of Christian church regarded as an outward or visible sign of inward and spiritual divine grace. So it's a pretty big deal. They're pretty held high in esteem, and they're like gifts almost, and they're pretty strong as well. So that's marriage there. Right? And we begin to see it start to deteriorate a little bit. We begin to see that it's all about bonds, but you can see how Bassanio is just kind of like, yes, marriage is okay, but you know, it's okay for kinship. You know, it's that bond between kinship, it could be stronger. So we move through, and then just like we said through Countrywide, sex, sexual liberation and stuff like that. And it's like, so you can obviously see an obvious removal of importance of fidelity and everything like that. Probably it was because of reaction against the Puritan regime, where everything was just like totally controlled. But we can also see that marriage was equated with pride. It was an essence of pride of having a marriage, rather than an actual love for something. So we move through. And so what's my point? Protestant Reformation going through it that begins to separate from the Catholic Church and all that stuff. So we begin to remove the sacraments. Theater as a reflection of society and ideals, so it's basically a commentary of what's going on. And the third part is that secular plays begin to gain popularity, so removal from the church is a big thing. Removal of authority. People identifying, like we said before, it's a culmination of all these ideas to keep moving forward. So that's all my time. Thank you very much.